Hey collective, what's up? It's your girl Infamous Empress Rose coming back to you guys with a message. Please like, subscribe, share my channel, take what resonates and leave the rest. Also flip the rose as need be. Please, please, please take the rose and flip them as need be. If this message does not fit your story, please do not try to make it fit, okay? But I jumped on here because I've been channeling this song by LA Cool J, Around the Way Girl. You guys gotta excuse me because I talk really, really fast and I be trying to slow down, but my words end up getting all jumbled up. But anyway, I channeled this song by LA Cool J, Around the Way Girl. So you could be that girl, collective, like you could be around the way girl, like you are very known in your community, very known in your hood, okay? And whoever this masculine is, this male, they are like scoping you out. Like this person is very attracted to you. You could be somebody that have like a big ass, big titties, like somebody that's very curvy, and they are very attracted to you and attracted to all of that, okay? They like somebody that gets a lot of attention. So you could be that girl that gets a lot of attention, okay? And I'm picking up like, they could be like the hood boy, okay, around the way, like that everybody know, okay? They are looking for somebody that's going to be very, very loyal, okay? Someone that has some type of self-worth, some type of respect for themselves. Like you can't be out here fucking Tom, Dick, and Harry, okay? But I'm picking up like this person talks to their friends about you. I'm picking up like they like how you carry yourself, like your attitude, your slang, how you are very aggressive, okay? Like you don't take no shit from nobody. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, we have the 5 of Cups in reverse. Yeah, I'm picking up like this person will accept you for you, okay? It will be no judgment here. 2 in the clock. Like you will be able to be yourself around this person. Yeah, there's no need for secrets or agendas, okay? Because like I said, this person gonna fuck with you for you. Like they already fuck with you from a distance, okay? They really trying to get up on you though. This person is really trying to get up on you. Like they are getting ready to approach you. I'm picking up. We have the King of Swords in reverse. Queen of Swords in reverse. So yeah, they need them a strong woman. Somebody that's not weak, okay? Like somebody that's going to be able to take charge when it's needed. This person could be a Libra, okay? Yeah, they looking for somebody that's in the spotlight, okay? That receive a lot of recognition. Somebody that's very confident. So collect, this could be you, okay? This could be you or a friend or a family member, okay? Like I said, take it however it resonates. Let's get some clarity. Yeah, this person is definitely about to get ready to come to you and express to you how they want to be with you, okay? Or how they find you attractive. But I'm picking up like, be with you. What else, Spirit? Like you can know their homeboys. I'm picking up collective. Like you can know their homeboys. You may not know this person, but you may know the people that he hang around. And they could be getting their homeboy to send you a message, send you a text message, okay? letting you know that their homeboy, you know, they trying to holler at you. What else, Spirit? I'm picking up that this homeboy could be telling this masculine, like, things could be complicated in your life, because like I said, you could know their friends or people that they hang around. I'm picking up like this homeboy is telling this masculine that things in your life could be like complicated, because you can have a bitter ass baby father, okay, that really wants you, okay, but you don't want them. So they could be like telling your homeboy, like, you know, you got to be careful, because, you know, you got this baby father collective that don't want to give up, or in some way you could still be, you know, fucking around with your baby father. What else, Spirit? Yeah, they love that you receive a lot of public recognition. Like, you are known, okay? You are definitely known around these hoods, around your hood and your community. They really like that. They are really attracted to that. Yeah, so you can have a daughter, okay? You can have a daughter. We have daughter here. And this damn baby father of yours, like, they don't want to give up. Okay? What else, Spirit? This person could be a Pisces, or you could be a Pisces. What else, Spirit? Yeah, like this child father does not want to lose you, collective. Like, I feel that they are still in love with you. Okay, for some of you, you guys could be still fucking around with your child's father. Okay, like, this person is like scared to lose you. I'm picking up, though, this masculine, a lot of people could be intimidated by this masculine. Like, this masculine could have like some money or have a name, okay, around the hood or around the way or something like that. I'm hearing like he the big homie or something like that. Like, this masculine is the big homie. 8:22 on the clock. What else, Spirit? Yeah, shit is definitely complicated when it comes to your life, okay, with this fucking baby father. Like I said, somebody could definitely be still fucking around. Like, they could be fucking their baby father. Okay, this baby father could be young or 30 years old. Somebody that's fucking very childish as fuck. I'm picking up. For some of you, this is why you left your child's father, because they are so fucking immature, okay? They act like a fucking kid. What else, Spirit? Yeah, they like somebody that likes to turn up. We have party turn up here. This person is really attracted to a hood ratchet bitch, okay? They really attracted to that. Okay? I'm picking up like this person could be wanting to take you out, okay, and show you a good time. Yeah, this person is ready to approach you, okay? I feel that there could be a party, okay, that you attend, collective, and this person is going to this party as well, because he could be somebody that like to turn up too. So at this party is when this person will approach you. Yeah. I'm picking up, you could be getting ready to attend a party on the 15th, okay, of this month, July 15th or July 16th, okay? And this is when this person is going to try their hand. They could be a Taurus, or you could be a Taurus. Give me 2 more cards, Spirit, and I'm going to end this message. This could be like a neighborhood party, okay? Like a neighborhood block party or something like that, that you will attend, and this person will be there. Give me 1 more card, Spirit. This male is older, okay? This male is older, and they are definitely about to tell you how the fuck they feel about you at this party, okay? I feel like they got to get a couple drinks in first. They got to get a couple drinks in first, because this person don't do well with rejection, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and end this message. Thank you.